everyone, it's Charlotte and this is the Itineo MC740 Spirit Edition. So some of the key features about our MC740, it measures in at 7.42 metres in length, so the clue is in the name. It's 4 berths, 4 seat belts, and it's got that island bed layout. It's also a Spirit Edition, so we'll talk about that as we make our way through the vehicle. But it is the perfect model if you're after a luxurious family A-class. So just making our way around to the side of the vehicle, your gas bottles are kept in here, and as you can see, you can see there are 2 large gas bottles keep going. Our habitation door is there, so you've got the electric welcome step. And as you can see, we have huge garage at the back. So if you are a family, you obviously need that storage. Now, you have an electrically adjustable button for your bed. So if you need full height of the garage, you basically just push this button and it does move pretty slowly, but that'll move the full way up to the full height of the garage. And then whenever you're at your destination, you can unload and pull the bed back down. So at the back, we have our reversing camera, which is, well, I think it's handy to have for a vehicle this size. We've got access to the garage at the other side, and then as you can see, we've got the lovely Spirit Edition decals along the side, so everybody on the road know you're driving a special edition vehicle. And you do have the 2-tone fake Ducato alloys. So about the driving experience of our MC740, with it being the Spirit Edition pack, you've got the leather steering wheel, so that just adds to the luxurious feel of the vehicle. You've got an electric park brake. You've also got the Connect pack with this particular vehicle, so you do have a fully digital dash, which wouldn't come with standard. You only get 50% dash. You've got your automatic drive, and then as part of the Connect pack, you've got it's a 7-inch infotainment system there, so it's Pioneer. It's fully touchscreen, and as well as this, your reverse camera is built into the dash. So as well as that, you've also got your sat nav, and you've got your Apple CarPlay with your Android Auto, and you've got your automatic climate zone with the smartphone induction charger to charge your phone up. So this is the living space. As you can see here, we've got a lovely open plan front lounge, comfortably will sit 4 people. You've got your overcab bed just over the driver and the passenger seat, so we'll show you that in one of the next clips. And then our control panel is situated over here. So this is your main control panel for your lighting, your vehicle battery, your pumps for your water, and then this vehicle runs off your Truma gas and electric heating. With the vehicle being a Spirit Edition, again, we do have that upgraded leather upholstery on the inside, and it's that lovely 2-tone black leather. It's quite striking and unique. And then we're on to our kitchen. So we've got our Thetford combined oven and grill, and then just underneath here is a 3-ring gas burner. We've got our sink, and look at that, it's in the lovely matte black, and just has that nice modern feel with your white backdrop and everything as well. It's very modern. And then over here is our Thetford 3-way fridge, which you can set to automatic, so whichever source you have available, it's basically self-sufficient and it will continue running. And you've got the separate freezer box, so that is important if it's a family going away. You've plenty of storage for your food. So at the back we have our huge island bed layout, and as I was saying, That bed is electrically adjustable, so it will rise up. And as you can see there, as Joel's showing you, there's a bit of storage at the back. You've got hanging rails at either side. This where I'm standing is the bathroom, so I do have a separate shower and toilet. You can close off the lounge area as well, so if people are going to bed, you can obviously close that off. Your toilet is over at that side, and then you've got a huge shower over here. This is our double bed that's over the lounge. So with it being a four berth, you've your two separate sleeping arrangements. Pretty obvious. But that folds up out of the way then whenever you're not using it. So that is our Itineo MC740. If you're a family on the lookout for a motorhome, do get in touch. This is a very popular vehicle here at Thompson Leisure. You can check out the full details on the website, or you can give us a call. You get us on 028 92 693 999.